Ali. Do you think you can manage that given current workload?
I understand the urgency, and I need to prioritize and possibly put in some extra hours. But I am confident and I get done by Friday.
Great, I appreciate your commitment. If you need any support or resources, don't hesitate to ask.
John, we need to deploy the software update by Friday. Do you think you can manage that given the current workload?
Yeah, sure. I'll get to it when I have time. I'm not so worried about the deadline.
Very important. We meet this deadline.
Try, but no promises. Emily, there's a new programming language that could be beneficial for our project. Would you be interested in learning it?
I'm always up for expanding my skills. I'll start looking into online courses or workshops that can help me get up to speed. Do you have any specific resources in mind?
I can recommend a few. Let's also schedule some time for you to shadow an expert who's already familiar with the language. Emily, there's a new programming language that could be beneficial for our project. Would you be interested in learning it?
No thanks. I'm not interested in learning anything new right now.
It could really enhance your capabilities.
Sorry, I'm not interested.
Good evening, Mike. Have a seat. There was an error in the code that caused a system outage. Do you know what happened?
Yes, I reviewed the code and realized I missed a critical update on the project. I apologize for the oversight. I've already fixed this issue and implement additional tests to prevent this from happening again.
Thank you for your owning up to it and taking corrective action. Let's discuss how we can improve our code. Review rush to catch this errors area. Mike, have a seat. There was an error in the code that caused a system outage. Do you know what happened?
Not my problem. Someone else must have messed up. I only did what I was told.
To identify and fix the issue.
Good luck. With that, I have other things to do.